question there is there any kind of obligation in or legal obligation in EU law that means that companies and governments don't do business in the settlements? So that's a question to you.
So far there hasn't, I mean, generally there is not much in the EU law or domestic laws that regulate the work of corporations and private enterprises generally. And that's why I think in the past decade plus, there has been a lot of attempts by civil society, grassroots, indigenous peoples all over the world, including across Europe, to work on human rights due diligence legislations, to work towards a UN binding treaty, to regulate the activities of corporations and to respect human rights and the environment, etc. In relation to Palestine specifically and settlements even more specifically, what governments have done so far is stuck to issuing warnings and advisories to businesses and individuals seeking to do activities with or in Israeli settlements or in the OPT more broadly. And not all European governments have done so. I can share in a bit a link showing some of these countries and what kind of advisories and so on. So it's a very soft mechanism, sort of, and it's definitely not a binding one, and it definitely does not speak to the gravity, the legal consequences and risks of such engagement through financial activities and relationships in a war crime and other related grave violations.